Hello everyone, welcome to Absolute Geography. Here we take your geography understanding from classroom to continents. In this video, we will learn about different ways in which height is represented on a topographical map. Height on a topographical map is represented in two ways. First, using contours. Second, by using different symbols. In previous video, we have already discussed contours in detail. Now let's understand four important height symbols: spot height, triangulated height, benchmark, and relative height. Let's start with spot height. Spot height shows the exact height of a particular point above mean sea level. It is represented by a small dot followed by a number. For example, dot 361 means the point is 361 meters above mean sea level. Spot height gives the exact height of that specific location. By comparing different spot heights, we can also understand slope of the land and direction of the river flow, since water always flows from higher to lower areas. Next, we have triangulated height. This is the height measured using trigonometric calculations during survey and is very precise. Usually, it shows the height of a mountain or a hill. Like spot height, triangulated height is also measured in reference to mean sea level. It is represented by a triangle along with a number. For example, triangle 1327 shows the height of Ramkund ka Pahad with reference to mean sea level. Moving on to benchmark. A benchmark is a permanent reference point whose height is accurately determined by surveys. It is usually engraved or inscribed on a building or a stone, which means it is physically present on the ground, unlike spot height, which are only shown on maps. Another important difference is that spot height shows the height of the ground at a particular point, whereas benchmark includes the height of the object on which it is marked. It is denoted by the capital letters BM followed by a number. And this is an example of how it is present physically. Lastly, we have relative height. As the name suggests, it refers to the height of a place in relation to another nearby point. Unlike other heights that we have studied, which are measured above mean sea level, relative height is measured in relation to surrounding land. For example, 15R is written on a dark brown patch representing a sand dune. This means that the dune is 15 meters higher than the surrounding ground. Similarly, if it is shown in a depression, a well, canal, or a river, etc., it indicates the depth of that feature. It is simply denoted by a small r preceded by the height number. Now you know how different types of heights are shown on topographical maps. Make sure you can identify these symbols quickly because they are often asked in exams. In next video, we will learn about grid reference, which is very important for map reading.